You will not believe what WallStreetBets is planning for Monday, this upcoming day, next week, with GameStop stock and AMC.
Let's talk about that.
What is going on? Welcome to the Fleming Profits YouTube channel, where we teach you how to become a more profitable investor in the stock market. We are here to make you huge profits in the stock market. So if you would like to learn more about exactly how we do that, how we inform you everything related to the stock market in order for you to become a more profitable investor, make sure you subscribe. That way you join our community and you do not miss out on any brand new videos. Now, do you like free money? Let me give you an opportunity to get some free stocks, 2 with WeBull, and then 1 with Robinhood. And then we also have $10 for absolutely free with M1 Finance, another brokerage that I use. I really like how they enable you to reinvest dividends and create a pie for a bunch of stocks that you want in your portfolio. And then my favorite, the Discover Secure credit card. They're going to give you $50 sign-up bonus, instant approval, and 1 to 2% cash back on every single purchase. Now, I do have a new sponsor. This is Mint Mobile. I have actually been using them for over 1.5 years, and I really like it. They give you a full cell phone plan, unlimited text and data for only $15. There's some people who pay more than $100 per month for phones. Stop doing that and sign up for Mint Mobile today. Alright, so let me catch you up on the current prices. So GameStop GME, ticker symbol, $325 per share. So this stock has reached all-time highs around $400, but it did drop recently. Mainly it had to do with Robinhood not allowing their users to buy any shares of GameStop during an entire trading day. Can you believe that? That is causing a lot of arguments against Robinhood and some possible lawsuit. And even though that has occurred, this has not stopped GameStop from continuing to go upwards. The next trading day, Robinhood allowed their users to buy more GameStop, but in limited quantities, which is absolutely ridiculous. Have you ever heard of a brokerage limiting how many shares you can buy of a stock? That is crazy. But WallStreetBets is together and stronger than ever before, and they're planning on getting the stock up to $1,000 per share. Now, there are some people flooding into AMC instead because it is a lot cheaper, and they're believing that the same thing is going to happen to AMC that is happening to GameStop. And if you look at their charts side by side, they're actually following very similar patterns. So if GameStop tends to go up, so will AMC. So this is a huge opportunity for new investors, or I would say new gamblers, who want to make some quick money by investing in AMC, because AMC could see the same growth that GameStop has had, and it is still relatively cheap, although it was at $2 before. So it went from 2 to 20, and then from 20 it dropped all the way to 8 whenever Robinhood did not allow you to buy any shares. Robinhood has a huge role in this because they have most millennial traders using their platform. So they have a huge market share in that, and whatever control they have will definitely affect these two stocks. Now let me show you the game plan for next week. Why people are saying you might want to go all in AMC. So let's break this down. This is what Wall Street is saying. By the way, this is not financial advice. I would not recommend you to do any of this. Basically, all of this is gambling. It is not investing. This is not how you invest for the long term. But either way, let's read this. So let's break this down for everyone who is worried or wants to know what to expect this coming week. So AMC currently has 44.6 million shorted shares and a grand total of 52 million shares. This means that 86% of shares of AMC are shorted by hedge funds and 14% are being longed to all of us. So basically, the more shares that we buy, the more that AMC stock price will go up, because in order for this hedge funds to short the stock, they are forced to buy the shares if it starts to go up in value. So the higher that AMC goes up, the more shares that the hedge funds will need to buy, and therefore creating the stock to go up even more. Now that everyone is waiting for this, when it's time to close the positions of shorted shares, and the hedge funds, have to cover what they bet on. So this is what I mean by they have to buy their own shares. Keep in mind, not every share will expire on Monday, so we must hold beyond that. Today's target, 129, was to beat $8.63, which we actually did. I think we ended on $13 that day. So yeah, that is amazing. The short position will have to close in 0.5 trading days, which means their short position will have to close on Monday, which will be at a loss, which should make the stock skyrocket on Monday. So Monday they're forced to cover $8.63. They will have to buy at its current price, which could be like $19 to cover their bet, raising the price even higher. But this isn't even the best part. All of their other short positions are significantly lower. There are 9 different short stocks between $1.98 and $5.96. Some of these shorts are 1.9 days away, so Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So the longer you hold, the higher the price gets, the more they have to cover. Over the next few trading days, it is going to be a short squeeze. We will hold the line on what GME did, hold your ground. So basically they're telling you to hold on to your shares, because the more days that pass by, the more shorts they will have to cover, which means they will have to buy their own shares, which will make the stock price go even higher the longer you hold. So my experience with trading is, it's a good idea to make some quick money if you understand what's going on. If you don't get the full concept behind it, then I wouldn't go for it, and I wouldn't invest a large amount of money, just basically pocket change that you have, because you could end up making a lot of money, and sometimes it's susceptible to be exposed to some risk, especially for money that you wouldn't care if it got lost tomorrow. So yeah, and so that's the plan that WallStreetBets has for AMC the upcoming week, and this is why it might be a good opportunity for you to buy a few shares of the stock. But then again, I always advise you to do your own due diligence. Don't just do what others tell you to do. Always make sure you understand whatever you do with this. And just to give you a bigger idea, short squeezes are actually historic. This happened to Volkswagen. I wasn't trading in the market. I was probably in diapers, but the same thing happened to them a long time ago. And you can actually take a look at the charts so that you get a good idea of how this works. So the overall message that WallStreetBets is saying is to hold your shares of AMC and keep on buying more. The WallStreetBets movement is actually gaining a lot more popularity as the days pass by. So let's take a look at this post that the New York Times posted. They're saying that WallStreetBets are propelled by a mix of greed and boredom and are looking to teach Wall Street a lesson. They've come together on a popular Reddit page, WallStreetBets, to push the stock of companies like GameStop up to 1,700% to outrageous highs. So yeah, WallStreetBets is just kind of making fun of this post. This might be Photoshop, I'm not exactly sure, but there's this sign right here, autistic children play here. They call themselves autistic. I'm not sure why. If someone knows why, please explain it to me in the comment section down below. Some of these users have insane profits from investing in GameStop. Let me show you an example of this. This is someone who is an immigrant and is trying to save to bring their parents home and buy them a house. He's already made $228,000. If I were him, I would cash out right now, immediately. That is too much money to lose if this were to go south. You will absolutely not make that kind of money with any other investment. So I will take advantage of that and cash out. I wouldn't really hold for that long if you already have that high of a profit. So yeah, some of these posts are pretty funny regarding the group. And then this other user, 172 shares, he actually bought at $83. He has around $20,000 profit, 61%. I would actually sell that. That is insane money, and I would actually just pocket that. But the whole movement is not even about money at this point for a lot of these users. It's just a political reason that they want to go against Main Street, Wall Street, and these giant hedge funds who have made billions of dollars and who have always ripped off normal retail investors. And they don't think that retail investors are powerful enough to ever make a change or make huge profits like they are. So they actually post every single day what the users' movements are going to be in the market tomorrow or the next day, the day after the next day, stuff like that. And they actually bought a giant billboard on New York Times. This is absolutely crazy. Can you imagine how much it will cost to put a billboard in New York like that? That is crazy. And this is some of the Robinhood manipulation that they've been doing, especially that day where you couldn't buy any shares. They actually hid you from searching those terms for the stock. So if you looked up GameStop, it wouldn't show you that a GameStop stock actually existed, which is absolutely crazy. But yeah, some people are donating like crazy. This guy bought a bunch of Nintendo Switches from GameStop and donated to a children's hospital. And just to be transparent, I do own about 40 shares of AMC. I do want to profit from this. Let me know if you're holding any shares and what your plan is. When do you want to sell? Let me know in the comment section down below. Alright, so there we go, subscribers. Thank you all so much for taking the time to join today's video for you. Make sure you get your free stocks, your secure credit card from Discovery, $50 of absolutely free spending money, and all the other links that I have in the description. It really helps out the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, as well as you liking the like button on this video, hitting the bell icon, that way you get notified as soon as we release brand new videos, and subscribing. Alright, so yeah, let me know what your plan is, what you plan to do next week. Are you going to participate in this? Is this all BS for you? Are you just ignoring all of this? What is your take on this? Let me know in the comment section down below. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Peace.